Hello guys, so today's video is a little different in the sense that it's about smartphones, but it's related specifically to patent. And when it comes to patent, it's not always guaranteed to turn into a real product. But anyways, let's check out what this patent is all about. In simple words, it's a new display refresh rate technology for mobile devices. Now you might be wondering, what else could be done with the refresh rate technology other than variable refresh rate with LTPO panels? Well, there is. Samsung filed a patent a while back in early 2021 which is called a method of driving the display with a multiplied refresh and an electronic device performing it. In this, the system allows for a high refresh rate of 120Hz to be used only partially for certain area of the screen, all the while displaying other bits of content in the same scene at a lower refresh rate. This will save a lot of battery and also provide smoother experience. You can make split screen and use multiple apps with different refresh rate at the same time. But the company specifies that there will be technical limitations regarding the combination of screen windows and refresh rates. Obviously, you won't be able to use any app anywhere. You will have to follow specific patterns as can be seen in the image. But the biggest question remains whether or when it will come to smartphones. It is believed to be one of the new features of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Ultra. That means in early 2023. But it rarely works that way in practice. As with any patent application, this is mainly about recording the idea rather than describing a concrete future smartphone feature. So whether or not smartphone can pull off this magical refresh rate technology in practical terms remains to be seen. With that said, we are at the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and for more such videos, subscribe, and as always, catch you in the next one.